these arms up. Try to keep these elbows right there. Yeah. Deep breath in and out for me. Good. There it goes. Feels like I got it.